yellow truck. Bet they both gon' clear the scene. Watch me do 100 miles per hour when the light turn green. You know you can't ride with us if you can't show the bubble beat. Once you hit a revving on the engine, you know what that means. Red car, yellow truck. Bet they both gon' clear the scene. Watch me do 100 miles per hour when the light turn green. You know you can't ride with us if you can't show the bubble beat.
What up, peoples? So we back at it again. I'm back out here. Had to wait a couple days. Had to wait for some things to come in. I still don't have the pistons in yet. When I ordered my damn pistons, I actually ordered the wrong ones. Got to be careful when you're ordering your stuff, man. The initial ones I ordered, it was the part number, but it actually, at the tail end of the part number was a zero. I think it was a 0.020. So it was for, the ones that are bore over 20 over. And then I realized after, doing a little bit more research, you could get them at 10, 20, 30, 40 over from the mile, if I'm saying that correct, MAHLE. That's supposed to be what you, what comes stop is the mile pistons or the OE replacement or whatever it is. So I'm going to show y'all what I got though. We got the 3-bar home. Hold on. I'm about to do that. This is what we got. One of these deals here. So I got one of these 3-bar homes. We gonna spray in there. I got somebody help me. My lady, it's her car. She gotta help out. Damn it. But here's the 3-bar. I'm gonna set it in there. Just making sure it was in there right. Want to try to be okay. Go ahead, spray a little bit for me. Try to get the can more straight up and down. That way it'll actually. There you go. Okay, up higher. Let go. Is it like that? Hold on 1 second. There we go. Okay. Spray. Stop spraying. Okay. Oh yeah. It's definitely doing the job. I'm gonna show y'all what it looked like in the end. This is cool. Super coated. Hold on. I don't even think I need any more right now. So what they said was you definitely don't want to stop with it inside the bore. So you want to kind of come out like I did. They also say you got to keep spraying, and you might have to do this a couple times. That's not right.
think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get them a little bit tighter, just a hair. So I pretty much made it really loose since it was my first time doing this. So I wanted to make sure I didn't, do go overboard. So that's the deal with that. Tighten it up a little bit. Guess I'm gonna try to do this deal solo real quick. So the next thing they told us to do after you hone it and you get it where you want it. Hold on. After you hone it and it all looks good, you like your crosshair scratches and all that stuff, hatching, whatever, however you say it. They said to go back in it and clean it real good with soapy water, of all things. Soapy freaking water. So I'm gonna do that. Right now. I don't like putting water on any parts of the daggone motor. I'm very uncomfortable right now, but after this, I'm supposed to go back and re-oil the surface. I'm gonna just use some motor oil. Metal particles is possibly getting. I'm trying to make it so it's not dripping water down. Also, now to tell if you got it clean or not, they said you should be able to take a white cloth or a white rag and it should come back without anything on it. None of that brown or gray or any of that, any metal particulates. So let's see how clean it is. See, it's getting there. So I'm gonna go back in there again with the rag and the water. God, I'm hating putting this freaking soapy water in the engine. And it's a scratched up surface. Isn't that the recipe for rust? A scratched up metal surface and freaking water. Let's use this again. Flip it. I'm gonna use this to dry. Oh man, y'all see that? Yeah, freaking. This is the time all the pollen and all that stuff, and I don't know if y'all can see it, but there's a couple little things. This is horrible, man. Horrible time to be doing this. Look at that. I got it. I think my rag's coming out pretty clean. Put another freshie. Fresh. Oh yeah, she good. She clean. I don't see nothing. Let's do it again. Other side. Yep, we got it all cleaned out. Clean rags. And now I'll take some motor oil. Hit the surface. Yeah. All over my damn hand. Alright, it's all good. Just gotta get that surface nice and oiled up. Yeah, buddy. Make sure you get all the way around every single spot. Look like I got something in there. I might have to re-clean it again, but y'all get the gist. I think I might have went all the way down, too far down in the bottom though, just now. Wipe some of it all around here too, cause alright y'all, thanks for sticking with me. I'll show you all the rest of the process and of course the results, you know what I mean? So thanks for walking with me as always. Peace.
Red car, yellow truck, bet they both gon' clear the